I've actually been here quite a few times, so I can show you guys around. I can be your tour guide.
Oh.
You ever seen a tour guide like me? Let's go.
I already reserved the ticket for you. Yeah, follow your manager. Let's go.
Tour guide, let's go.
You're the tour guide. Okay, come on.
The throne hall.
Wow,
인정전 throne hall.
That is beautiful.
Oh my god.
Look at the colors.
This is where the kings would hold their coronations when they became king.
Can you imagine just like hundreds of years ago, there was just a king walking down here?
As you can see, it seems kind of, see all these little like markers right here? You can tell it's a place that's supposed to be special, right?
So should we just take a selfie?
Yep.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna make it so like everyone's 다리 is very long, the long legs. 둘, 셋.
Oh, 아저씨 괜찮으세요?
long 다리 like me.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Do I look like I'm like touristing? Okay. That's cute.
What is this? All right, so it says to pick one. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3. 3 is my lucky number.
Why am I the last one? Why am I the last one? Oh, yeah, because I'm... sorry.
I got it, it's in the bag. I'm gonna win. Spa 가자. Let's go to the spa.
I think I'm lucky. Easy. I will get that first or second place and get that facial. Wish me luck.
And I'm not going to take any picture for you at all. Bye.
Okay, everybody put your hands in.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Okay, see you guys later.
More water. Where are you going?
Is there a little door here? This is pretty little. It's so little.
So cute.
Guys, we're going to the spa. There's no flowers here. 없어요. 혹시 모르니까 B-roll. 완벽. That's so boring.
Guys, I'm so confused with the mission. Hi, you want a picture with me? Never.
Empty heart, my broken heart, you guys.
It's over there. See, the blue roof, the blue roof. So.
The sky. Time to go to neighbor.
I'm just gonna chill, take some pictures. You know what's super trending right now?
What?
You go like this. You go like, can you do it? Okay, I'm just gonna walk away. Where's Joelle? Oh, there's Joelle. So there's this something trending going on right now. You go like this. 이렇게 하는 거야, 이렇게. 이렇게.
I'll make you a deal. Yeah. I'll take your photo. But you send me those 단체 사진s that we just took.
Okay.
All of them.
Yeah.
Send them now. 단체 사진.
Teamwork, you guys. In Korea, one of the beauty standards has always been like pale skin. They would grind rice.
Oh, rice?
Right?
Make it into a powder form. And then you would use that as makeup powder.
Oh.
How would you know something like this?
친양이잖아. 친양이잖아. Oh my gosh. all of a sudden, it feels like we're like in the middle of a mountain though.
Yeah, it's like in another
Right
world.
now, you look around, you don't see a single like building.
We're actually literally in the middle of Seoul. There she goes, there she goes,
There
look
she
at her.
goes.
There
Watch
she
out.
goes, there she goes with the challenge.
Don't get in there because she might need a picture of you.
I can't take pictures. It's for my gram, you guys.
We have to go up and then around.
Oh, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out!
Just in case.
Beauty+City. I want to cry. I want to go to the spa, really, for real. Like, I'm
I'm
crying.
It's okay, it's okay.
I have to go to the Ikseon-dong.
Oh, just wait. I'm a 21st century girl. Okay, wait.
Weird shot. Okay. Wait, why is it so small?
Only buildings in the palace that face north, making them suitable for reading and come.
Look at that.
Wait, what?
I think we can go this way.
Let's go in.
Yeah, let's go in.
Oh my god, it feels so mysterious. It feels so mysterious. I love this vibe.
So are you done or no?
Well, yeah, I'm done. Like, throw them under the bus and just go to the spa. What's up, Tony? Hey!
와, 혹시 안 보니까 다 찍어놓자.
Mission complete.
Guys, so we'll do all missions. Let's.
Baby, are you crying?
No, I'm not. Oh, 눈이. Oh, why? I feel like
It's okay. You can take care of that at the spa when you win.
Yeah, okay.
So, I'm gonna show you guys my photos.
How did you get that photo?
I got her to send it to me.
They're a team.
Because she sent it to me.
There was two before the challenge started. Oh, that's right.
The PD said we weren't allowed to start until after.
Joel walking like a 양반
A gentleman.
at 박석. This.
Ah, so this is 박석. 낙선제 with me, rear shot.
Oh, 낙선제.
And I couldn't make it to the 낙선제. Rear shot.
Strike one.
No, not strike one. Why?
Strike one.
No.
No mercy.
Priscilla sitting on a pavilion. And actually,
Did you take this picture though?
Laneige stuff. Beauty+City. 네 명 다 나와야 돼.
Mine's gonna be very quick.
Okay.
Nothing's controversial.
Yeah. Let's see.
Bambam passing 불로문.
Okay.
We make heart shape with the crew.
They're made out the team. Okay, she's number one.
See you at the spa.
Okay, so here's mine. It's got flower, trees, palace, and
Your heart. Where did you find flowers? Where did
what
she
is
find
that?
the flowers?
I couldn't see any flowers.
then jump with the crew.
What is this?
Beauty+City.
Woo!
Oh, 완벽.
Then I have Carson, Bambam, and Priscilla.
The way you're crossed out. Okay, this is good though.
But this is okay.
Between you and me, we both have 2 strikes, which means we're even. 감독님, 누가 이겼을까요?
밀당이 아주
저렇게 떨리지? Alright, Carson won. Whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop.
We're the spa team. So we're the team winner.
Winner.
And how do you guys feel?
I'm feeling
just grand.
I'm feeling great. We're getting more Laneige product.
We're going to the spa. Look at this entry here. Oh my god. Super nice. We're ready.
Oh my god, I feel so bougie.
I'm so excited.
I'm home. Home sweet home. Doesn't mean I didn't make it to the spa. Well, I lose. I'm going to do a super quick self-care today. Cream. Carson. This is like the massage. After that, I'm going to apply this thing, the cream, all over my face. Also on your neck as well. And then you use this thing. Start it from the shin line. Oh my god. When you do it at the jawline, you can feel like your muscle is like being spread out. Oh my god, it feels really nice. Oh. And you switch the side and do it like this. and then on your neck. Like so. It's really easy, it's really quick, and you can do it anytime you want.
It's like a dream. I feel bad for Joelle and Bam Bam, but we just can't stop smiling right now.
I was reborn.
That was honestly the best 70 minutes of my life.
As I didn't win the challenge, I am actually supposed to record myself doing my home care routine. CreamSkin. You can use little puffs and create a makeshift pack out of it by spraying it on my face in the main spots where it's very important. So I like to do one on each cheek, one on my forehead. Once I take these off here in a few minutes, it's gonna be just amazing. It's gonna feel awesome. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Oh my god.
This is insane. I feel like I'm at like a luxury hotel right now. Should we just take a bite?
Yeah.
That is so good.
That one's the best. Oh my god.
Our skin is glowing. Oh my god.